to pence a bag, to pence a bag. Feed the birds, feed the birds. Safety first, to pence a bag, to pence a bag. Feed the birds, safety first. Feed the birds, safety first. Feed the birds, safety first. Safety first! You know what you gotta do. Move around a little bit. You're looking bored. I sure am not. This is the most exciting thing that's going to happen to you today.
This guy?
Remember.
Not bored. Not bored.
See this fancy footwork? I practiced this last night. For like 3 hours. I see you are impressed. You're laughing. Stop laughing. That's not nice. This isn't funny! We've practiced doing this. Feed the birds! Feed the birds! Safety first! To pence a bag, to pence a bag! Feed the birds! Feed the birds! Safety first! To pence a bag, to pence a bag! Now are you enjoying yourselves? That's what I thought. Better be, better be. If you're not, we're calling the cops. Okay, Brian. Hi, Mrs. Hookta. How are you? Whatever.